Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy PayPal for seamless transactions, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the account settings section. Locate and select the My Selling Tools option. Click on PayPal buttons to create a new payment button. Choose the type of button you want to create, such as Buy Now or Add to Cart. Fill in the required information for your product or service. Adjust the button options to fit your needs, including currency and item ID. Once complete, click Create button to generate the code. Copy the generated HTML code to your clipboard. Next, open your website's content management system. Paste the HTML code into the section where you want the button to appear. Save your changes and preview your website to ensure the button displays correctly. Test the button by completing a transaction on your website. If successful, return to your PayPal account to view the transaction details. For enhanced functionality, explore integrating PayPal's API. Visit the PayPal developer website for API documentation. Follow the instructions to set up API credentials and access tokens. Integrate the API into your website for custom payment solutions. Lastly, ensure your website is PCI compliant for secure transactions. Regularly monitor your PayPal account for any issues or updates. Stay informed about PayPal's features to optimize your payment processes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.